Hi everyone, thank you so much for being here. My name is Valrine. In this video, we will be calculating how much fabric you will need to make a fitted sheet. That is, if you are buying fabric that's double width or sheeting fabric. Now, I do have a video on the channel which shows you how to calculate fabric when you have a fabric that you really want to use but it's not wide enough. So I will link that video for you so you can check it out. Now I have a little diagram on the board here and I also have some measurements. So let's just go ahead and go through the measurements that I have here. I have the width, which is, by the way, we're using a queen mattress for our subject in this video lesson. So we have 63 inches for the width and we have 79 inches for the length. The 8 inches is for the depth of the mattress. Here we have the return, which is 6 inches. The return, right? So the fabric goes down the side of the mattress and then under. That's why we say return. And then we also have a double hem, which is 1 inch. Now we need to establish the total width and the total length of fabric that we will need. So let's go ahead and start with the width. The width of the mattress is 63 inches. Now we have the return, which is 8 inches. We will add 8 inches for the left side of the mattress and 8 inches for the right side of the mattress. Therefore, we will multiply 8 by 2, which is 16. Let's go ahead and add that. That's 79 inches. Then we have the return. The return also will be on both sides, right? So it's 2 times 6, which is 12 inches. That's 91 inches so far. The last thing we have is the double hem. Now the hem is to for you to string your elastic through to complete your fitted sheet. Generally, you do not need more than an inch of pocket to do that. However, we need to make a double hem. So we'll have to multiply the 1 inch by 2, which is 2 inches. So we add that here and we have 93 inches. So our width is 93 inches. Our length, the same thing that we did for our width, we will need to do for the length. So we need to add all these increments for the length. So we'll go ahead and 79 inches plus 16, and that is because we need to account for the fabric at the head of the bed and the fabric at the foot of the bed. The 79 inches is just on the top part of the mattress, right? So that's 16, so that's 9 and 1 10 and 5 15, 7 and 1 8 and 1 9. That's 95 inches plus the 12 inches here. That's 107 inches. I'll just put the 107 up here because we don't have enough space down there. And then we'll have to add the 2 inches. That's 109 inches of fabric for the length and 93 inches of fabric for the width. Our next step is to go ahead and calculate how many yards of fabric we will need. Now, if you're using double or sheeting fabric, then usually it's over 100 inches wide. 118 or 120 inches wide. So that will cover for both the length and the width of the mattress. However, what you need to do is to decide if you are using the width of the fabric for your length, or you're just using it, and that would be called railroad. You're railroading the fabric, which you turns the width to the length and the length to the width. If you're using it straight up, width for the width, then we go ahead and divide the length by 36 inches. And that is how we get how many yards of fabric we will need. So that's 109 divided by 36 equals 3.03. So that's let's just write this here. 109 divided by 36. That's 3.03 yards of fabric, right? So you could round that up to 3.5. You could round it up to 3.5 yards of fabric. So you will have enough fabric to be able to make some pillowcases, okay? However, if you want to save yourself some money and the fabric is not one that is unstable, you can go ahead and use your width for your length, and then you will save some money and save on the amount of fabric you will need. So then you would divide the 93 inches by 36, and that's just 2.58 yards of fabric. You could buy 2.6 yards of fabric, and there you save yourself some money. So just decide exactly which direction you want to go. And Bob's your uncle. No, he's my cousin. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe now. And remember to turn on that bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I will see you in the next video. Thanks again.